Kuma exposed Velaphi's secret and Tenjiwe is heartbroken. Nolisa tried to get into the platinum business, but Kuma refused. Sandile continues to work with Vacu, but Vacu is planning her downfall because he doesn't want to be led ngumfat. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Sita, the enemy. Kuma exposed Velaphi's secret in the family braai, telling them that Velaphi has been suspended at university because Wezenze Rambo fighting Nodini. And everyone is shocked with how Kanjan, Velaphi, what's going on? Velaphi then starts telling them Guti he couldn't get his results because he's owing fees. And Tenji is like, but why didn't you tell me? Why weren't you asked? Because everyone was going to I was just afraid Guti some jaja. Like umalume jaja manje. Like everyone is just shocked with how Velaphi, why didn't you tell us? And Shem, the way Tenji is so heartbroken, mind you, Velaphi is the first person to go university, was so cool. And then Nalisa tries her luck telling Kuma Kuti she's bored. She feels like she does not have a purpose and ufuna kuba part of the platinum business. I think because she saw the money that Kuma is making, but Kuma is like, hi, usangene wena ingqondo yakhe imtimba kukhathele ngekukhomba usingqondo ikhathele wayengalale rest. Unalisa does not want to give up. Plans a cute dinner setup to beg Kuma to include her. But Ukuma still refuses, saying it's dangerous and I have to protect you. So cha, mfati, just hold your horses. And then Mamnamza calls a family meeting to ask Ukuma to help, Velaphi with his fees. But Ukuma refused, saying Guti Velaphi hatzelela, and because Velaphi sold his shisanyama to go to school, the next thing was taking my computer to pay for the cow for Siamtanda, but instead of focusing on school, is never fat, and he's very disrespectful. I won't pay me. And then Umatiri Soge Ulele drunk. Ulele is like, hey, when a man you drink too much, you need to know when to stop. You can't spend all my money on alcohol like this. At hey, when I festive, after I festive, minutual. And then she talks to Polpoli, saying that mina Polpoli ngiyabuyeka utshwala nas tshwala ngiyabuyeka. Polpoli feels like he can't lose his drinking body and tells her don't let Bulelani control you. Ungabuyeka utshwala wena. Unando kula. And then Banda went to apologize to Nelly, saying and I know the situation you're in because Banda is always telling young women she is not married or I'm dead. And then Utenjo offered to give them a free massage with certain Banda so they can massage them for free. They came get to the spa for the free massage, and Banda apologized to his wife and also apologized to Nelly. And everyone was happy because they reached a consensus. Now, Rebecca is not happy because Solomz is hiring Amaheska Kuma, saying, why do you bring that la? Now it means I have to work here full time. At Yazima, I want peace, Mina. And when I just focus on planning first Christmas, yumtana, ungogo manje. And then Zandile, Ulbambele Ngosi, I think now she's leading as chief because her husband is not well mentally. Ekhoswe uVacu njalo, and uVacu seems to be supporting her, kanti nje he's pretending he's busy planning her downfall, saying he cannot be led by umfati. Cabanga ingosi lengumfati ngeke. So uVacu is busy stealing the platinum so that by the time uZandile wakes up, there'll be nothing left. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.